In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background in Canva Pro. First, open Canva and log into your Canva Pro account because the background remover tool is only available in the Pro version. Next, click Create a Design or open any existing project. Now, upload your image using the Uploads section or drag and drop it onto the canvas. Click on the image to select it, then go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. You will see the BG Remover option. Click on it and Canva will automatically remove the background in a few seconds. If the result is not perfect, use the Erase and Restore brushes to manually fix edges or details. Once your background is removed, you can place your subject on a new background, keep it transparent, or use it in any design. Finally, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG if you want a transparent background. That is how you remove background in Canva Pro.